A very good morning to all dear students. Myself Dr. Meenu Verma, Assistant Professor in the Department of B.Ed, the Graduate School College for Women, Jamshedpur, a constituent unit of कोल्हान यूनिवर्सिटी चाईबासा। आज फिर से आप लोग के सामने प्रस्तुत हूँ एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, जो है फिल्म प्रोजेक्टर। यह क्लास बीएड के फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर की छात्राओं के लिए है। पिछली कक्षाओं में हमने जाना मल्टीमीडिया अप्रोचेज इन एजुकेशन, जिसके अंतर्गत हम मैकेनिकल एंड प्रोजेक्टेड एड्स को समझने का प्रयास कर रहे थे। हमने स्लाइड प्रोजेक्टर को समझा, फिल्म स्ट्राइप्स को समझा। आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे फिल्म प्रोजेक्टर की। यह टॉपिक बीएड फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के पेपर ईपीसी के यूनिट 3 आईसीटी इन एजुकेशन के अंतर्गत आता है। तो आइए समझने का प्रयास करते हैं कि फिल्म प्रोजेक्टर क्या होता है और इसे एक शिक्षक अपनी कक्षा में कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकता है अपने लेसन को प्रभावी बनाने के लिए। Film projector or a movie projector is an optomechanical device for displaying motion picture film by projecting it onto a screen. Most of the optical and mechanical elements except for the illumination and sound devices are present in movie cameras. 16mm films are generally used for the purpose of training or teaching. Yes, ट्रेनिंग या फिर शिक्षण के लिए जो फिल्म का हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वह 16mm का फिल्म होता है। These films are planned and executed by a panel of experts who endeavor to prepare films of good quality. Motion picture is comprised of a number of frames separated by a thin line between each frame. Projection is run at a certain speed to match the sound with the persistence of vision. In place of 16 or 35mm films, video cassettes can also be used in the classroom to teach 50 to 80 students because they can also give a fairly big image on the screen. As far as use of film projector for classroom teaching is concerned, it is very easy. Everything is automatic here. If electricity supply is not restricted, the film will not stop in the middle after it is put on the projector. जब हम किसी भी फिल्म को प्रोजेक्टर के थ्रू दिखाते हैं तो बस हमें इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की सप्लाई बंद ना हो, जिससे कि फिल्म शुरू से अंत तक कक्षा में प्रभावी ढंग से दिखाया जा सके। जब फिल्म प्रोजेक्टर इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उसमें एक शिक्षक को 3 स्टेप्स को ध्यान में रखना अति आवश्यक होता है। 3 steps are involved to use motion pictures in the classroom teaching. Which are these 3 steps? These are preview, screening and review. Yes, preview, screening and review. आइए समझते हैं कि ये तीनों स्टेप्स के अंदर एक शिक्षक को क्या करना होता है। प्रीव्यू: बिफोर शोइंग एनी फिल्म इन द क्लासरूम, the teacher should first have a view of the film in advance in order to tell the students about the main feature and gist of the film. After knowing all about the film, the teacher can direct the attention of the people to such silent points which he considers to be essential. He can also guide his students to concentrate on linguistic or technical aspects of the subject matter by preview. This preview is also essential for the determination of educational objectives to be realized by viewing the film. अगली बात जो एक शिक्षक को ध्यान में रखनी है फिल्म प्रोजेक्टर यूज करते समय वो है स्क्रीनिंग। प्रीव्यू के बाद एक शिक्षक को स्क्रीनिंग करना होता है। स्क्रीनिंग इज एक्चुअली अ सॉर्ट ऑफ proper checking of the film. By screening the film, the teachers help his students to concentrate on only those points which are essential. If any important point has been missed or skipped in the film, the teacher comes to the mic to tell about that point by stopping the film. Screening helps the teacher to discuss the topic minutely also. Next point which a teacher have to put focus while using film projector is review. After the process of screening is over, the teacher would review the film by highlighting its silent features, its multiplication in the practical life, and by giving his conclusions. Pupils also participate in these discussions, and success of the review sessions depends on the comprehension level of pupils. Comprehension questions are also asked here. Some assignment can also be given by the teacher after review. So, dear students, today we are able to know about film projector, how a teacher can use film projector in a classroom, why it is essential to use film projector in the classroom, and what the steps followed by the teacher while using film projector. The steps are preview, screening, and review. Hope this video lecture will help you to understand the film projector. In our next class, we will discuss advantages and the use of motion pictures as a material aids. Thank you, dear students. Be safe at your home and stay healthy. धन्यवाद.